Hey everyone, today I'm drawing a topographic picture of flowers, although it's a special drawing because I'm actually giving it away to one of you guys as I reached 1k subscribers. So thank you everyone for that and helping me reach this little milestone. It's important to listen to the details if you wish to participate in this giveaway, so just bear with me. Okay, so this giveaway is free of course. However, there are 3 simple steps required in order for you to be entered. 1, you have to subscribe. You could also like the video if you want, but you don't have to. 2, you have to share this video 3 times to either 3 different individuals or 3 different groups. But that's the minimum. You could always share it more, it would obviously help me, but at least 3 times. Make sure to share it to people who are not yet familiar with my channel and tell them to subscribe so they could also be entered. So don't share it to people who know me and are already involved with my channel. Just remember, I can see how many shares I have on this video in the analytics, so there's no getting away with not sharing. 3, once you've done that, the last step is you just need to comment down below saying that you've done those 3 easy steps, and then you'll be entered. If I see a comment, then you're entered, so remember to comment. Then I'll let this video run for about 1.5 weeks or so before I announce the winner to give you enough time. Make sure you get the notification bell on so you don't miss the winner being announced. I'll be announcing the winner on a live stream here on my channel. Also, I'd like to pick the winner only once I've got to 1040 or 1050 subscribers. It doesn't have to reach that. It would just be nice if it did, just so I know you guys are sharing the video and so I can gain something from this too, because it's actually the longest drawing that I've ever done. It took about, I think, 15 hours. So in 1.5 weeks I'll be doing a live stream where I'll randomly pick the winner, like out of a hat or something. It'll be in front of you guys, in front of the camera, so you know it's not rigged. And I'll keep the stream public once it's done so that you don't actually have to see it live because of time zones and stuff, or you might not be able to make it in time, but you can see it after because I'll leave it up on my channel publicly. After that, I'll reply to the winner on his or her comment on this video, and whoever it is, make sure to email me after you find out that you've won. The email is in the description and it's also in the about section, or you can DM me on Instagram. That would also be in the description and in my channel about section. So the winner should see a reply to his or her comment and see the name being announced on the live stream. Then you gotta reach out to me on the email or Instagram, and that's when we'll discuss and organize further details regarding you receiving the artwork. So keep an eye out for that stream to know if you've won my art piece. Now, about the actual artwork itself, it is larger than what I usually do. I usually do about A4. This artwork is A3 in size, and it is made with graphite pencils, which is what I always use. So there is a shine to it, like all other graphite drawings. That's a known thing. I don't usually add color, but I felt it would work well here, so I used it a bit. And the pencils I use aren't listed in this video, but they're just some Derwent pencils that I have lying around my house. Surprisingly, the initial sketch took about 2.5 hours, never takes me that long, and the drawing overall took me 15 hours, which is the most I've ever done. There is also a nice crisp border in this artwork that I make with tape. I don't know if you've seen other artists do this before, but I have, so I tried to use it in my artwork, and I think it worked pretty well. I don't know what you want to do with the artwork, but I definitely suggest that it would make a nice addition to your wall or wherever else. Alright, so good luck everyone. Remember to subscribe, share 3 times, comment, and then put the bell on for the live stream so you don't miss the winner being announced. Maybe I'll do this again one day if this turns out to be successful, but for now, follow those 3 easy steps and enjoy the rest of the video.